Are you ready to dive into the heart of one of the most breathtaking natural wonders of the world? This April 2024, we're taking you to the thundering waters and misty horizons of Niagara Falls. Stick around as we unveil the top tours you simply can't miss. Get ready, it's going to be a wet and wild ride. First up, let's talk about getting up close and personal with Niagara Falls. Embark on the Voyage to the Falls boat tour, where you'll feel the mist on your face and the roar of the falls in your ears. Or light up your night with the Falls Fireworks Cruise, a spectacular light show that you'll watch from the water. Prefer to stay dry? The Niagara Falls Freedom Jet Dry Tour keeps you comfy and dry while delivering exhilarating views. And for the thrill seekers, the Niagara Falls Wet Jet Tour promises a drenching adventure you won't forget. This April, witness a rare celestial event with our solar eclipse tours. Join the Niagara Falls Total Solar Eclipse Day Tour to experience the eclipse from one of the most scenic spots on Earth. Or make it personal with a private day tour, starting right from Niagara or even from Toronto. And for something truly unique, the 1000 Islands Total Solar Eclipse Private Day Tour offers a magical eclipse experience combined with stunning landscapes. Want something more intimate? Our private tours cater to all, whether you're coming from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Hamilton, or right here in Niagara. Enjoy the luxury of a customized experience, tailored just for you and your group. And for our friends coming from Toronto, we've got something special for you. Experience our Best Value Toronto to Niagara Falls Day Tour, combining comfort, adventure, and affordability. Or opt for the classic Toronto to Niagara Falls Day Tour, a tried-and-true favorite among visitors. And for those who want it all, the Toronto to Niagara Falls Day and Evening Tour lets you experience the falls in all their daytime glory and illuminated nighttime beauty. Not in Toronto? No problem. We offer top-rated tours from Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara Falls, and Niagara-on-the-Lake. Discover the convenience and thrill of setting out from your own city with tailored experiences designed to make your Niagara Falls adventure unforgettable. Whether you're soaking wet from a jet tour, basking in the eerie twilight of a solar eclipse, enjoying the exclusivity of a private tour, or embarking from Toronto for a day of unforgettable memories, Niagara Falls has something for everyone this April 2024. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Book your Niagara Falls tour today and experience the beauty, thrill, and wonder of this majestic natural wonder. See you at the falls. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our travel adventures. Safe travels and see you next time.